Hi everybody, Mike Bailey here from Primeline Products. Today we're going to show you how to install our new high security door lock. It's made with the integral handle pull. Primeline's new and improved high security door locks are intended to keep you and your family safe. These high security door locks are designed to withstand 800 pounds of force being pushed against your entry door. They're spring loaded, they're quite easy to install, and now we're going to show you a few tips on how to do so. They can only be installed on exterior in-swinging doors. They cannot be installed on double doors. They cannot be installed on doors that swing out either. Today we have two of the high security door locks. If you have our original version but are looking for a pull handle, we got you covered. We designed a new pull handle that will simply slip over and adhere to your existing high security door lock. These are the tools that you're going to need for your installation. You're going to need a drill, the included fasteners. You're going to need a center punch to help ensure that you get dead center on your pilot holes, a hand screwdriver to finish your installation, and you might possibly need a wood chisel to mortise out where the lock is going to go. Some doors will need it and some doors will not. And of course, you will need your safety glasses. Here are a few tips. 1, make sure to take your time. Measure twice so you don't make a mistake. 2, make sure that you pilot drill the holes deep enough for the provided fasteners. 3, when you're ready to install your fasteners, take your drill off its max torque settings. Dial it back so you don't strip the heads off. We are installing the high security door lock above the deadbolt, but you can install your high security door lock to best fit your needs on your door. Familiarize yourself with the product by opening and closing it before attempting to do this installation. You need to see how to grasp and pull the lever open and closed before you do the installation. It just makes it easier. For best results, dry fit the high security door lock and make a mark on the door jamb with your pencil. After marking the spot on your door jamb, open the door to the mark of the high security door lock. Then make a mark on the door jamb with your pencil in the middle of the big oblong hole. Make sure to use a center punch to mark the hole with a quick punch. Put the lock back in place. Use a screwdriver or a power drill. Remember to make sure that the drill with your Phillips bit is not on max torque setting to help prevent damage to the fastener head. Install the short 1-inch screw first. Shut the door and now flip the lock against the door to see if the rubber pad is sitting flush. You may need to keep adjusting this until it's flush against the door. Reopen the high security door lock and door to tighten the 1-inch long screw. Now, use a center punch for the other 3 holes. Make pilot holes for the remaining 3 fasteners. Finish installing the fasteners flush to the mounting plate. Now you can close the door and position your high security door lock against your door. Your installation is now complete.